Python file handling techniques. Comprehensive guide to opening, reading, writing, and managing files in Python. In Python, use the open function to access files. Different modes like R, W, and A allow you to read, write, or append data. For binary files, use RB, bob, or ab. Ensure file paths are correctly specified. To read files, read retrieves the entire content, while readline gets specific lines. Iterating over the file object allows for line-by-line reading. This approach is useful for handling large files efficiently. Writing to files involves using write to add text. The W mode overwrites existing content, while A mode appends data. It's important to ensure data integrity during these operations. Always use close to release file resources and prevent data loss. Proper closure avoids resource leaks. It's good practice to check if a file is closed after operations. Using the with statement simplifies file handling by ensuring automatic closure. This approach prevents resource leaks and keeps the code structure clean and manageable. Thank you for your time. You can find the content, examples, and our contacts in the video description. If you like this, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. We create video series for product, brand, and tech promotions. Feel free to reach out.